This video is for the Canon Pro-1000 series. This is the maintenance cart. What I've done is bought a chip resetter. They're about $60, and you can reset the cart's chip as often as it fills up. So I've drilled a hole with a hole saw on the top of the cart. That way you can pull out this batting. It's felt. There's 4 layers of it. And then you have an empty cart that will retain the ink. Just put a piece of tape over the hole. And anytime it fills up, reset that chip, empty out your cart, and you're back in business. And again, that's for the Pro-1000 series. You can also do that on the Pro-4000 series. There's a maintenance cart, but it has a lid that you can actually pop off and take the batting out or actually wash it out. So again, for both 4000 and 1000 printers, even the 2000 series, you can do the same thing. Okay guys, have a good day.